I think I got used to falling asleep in your bed. Under your pillow was everything that I should have said. Now I'm a ghost keeper, coming out of your phone speaker. I think I got used to pretending that a week was a year. The leaves of the willow, the fog that you left in the mirror. Now I'm a loiter, coming out of your phone speaker. Close you out as I did.